Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Notion tasks with your Apple Calendar. So without any delay, let's get started. First, you have to prepare your calendar. As you can see, my calendar is named Example and currently has no tasks listed. We will now sync tasks from my Notion calendar to my Mac OS calendar. Go to the Notion Cafe website and install the Notion calendar integration. Make sure you are signed into your Notion Cafe account. Select the page you want to sync with your calendar. Now choose the calendar. On the integration page, you will have several options to choose from. Select your calendar name, such as mine is Example, and click on the green plus icon. Select the database from Notion that you want to sync. You can also rename it if needed. Click Submit and then Copy to Clipboard to copy the link. Now you can sync with Mac OS Calendar. Open your Mac OS Calendar app, click on File, and then select New Calendar Subscription. Paste the link you copied and click Subscribe. You can also rename your calendar here if needed. Done. That's it, guys. Now all the tasks from my Notion calendar have been synced with my Mac OS calendar. It's that easy. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.